Yeah, I always tell Alex say me I go buy piece of chicken and me and him eating on the town and with salad and them stuff.
So after that, we start
because tell you, Capo is a nice man.
Guys, you don't know I boy Capo there.
Hey girl, I'll be there yours, so.
Yeah. Yo people, yo, me never a long talking. I jump right to it. Most of the artists who are going on social media, when you see them people they post a video, disrespect with the boy Alex, me I call him name, disrespect with, but people may share my side, because more time when you hear one part of that story and I run go follow it, and I say, yo.
Yeah, no, listen to the
yeah, not good. Like make me know my side, clear my name. You see me, so I jump right to it now. But 3 months ago, me and my ex-girlfriend, I tell you from now, my ex-girlfriend, Abbi, do a video, right? A prank call. Abbi and her boyfriend, right? So I get her number. I'm gonna start text her, normal like comment on her WhatsApp and things like that.
Text me like him sad and him life never happy and them something somebody you know be that person in him life.
Yeah.
And things and start texting until I start finding interesting.
Yeah people. And if I realize it on a serious note, in the past month or 2 months, I have been now go, my ex-girlfriend never go smooth. When you see on the camera, we body language half more time and we have fight more time. Be a cussing and going. And more time, I not lie, I me mess up people, me shake up because me go to my way and text her. I be talking about it, I'm still get my new number and me and her still communicate behind Abbi back. Me wrong for that. Abbi, I know me wrong but I not going to tell you I regret it because more time in life, I just say go, is it?
True.
Because I don't regret meeting she and me and her have a relationship.
I don't regret meeting him.
You see me? So I just say go people, I not go in the bush because that's not really manly. She do a video, she and a new man do a video. I never like talk about him, but in the video, right? I'm not going to make it look like, say, a one-sided story. Me have been not work for a while right now. I don't know if you want to talk about what you and go through, but...
Me and Alex, they go through something because in see when me and Capo, they had sex and some. But as I myself find him attractive. Because he's nice.
People.
In personality, book.
Sometimes in a life, you know, see things, but and everything of run and believe, you see me? So, after I text her, I meet up at town a couple of times. I like to Abbi and tell her so I'm going to drop off some tripod.
Yeah, I always tell Alex say me I go buy piece of chicken and me and him eating on the town and with salad and them stuff.
So after that, we start.
Because tell you, Capo is a nice man.
People.
I'm love him.
Jaja. Yo, I know say look away because I don't want to come in the comment section with no foolishness. I say yo, why you do that already? I know I'm not perfect. None of them perfect. Right now,
nobody not perfect.
I don't want to not comment on negative because none of them perfect either. I don't make mistake in life and I have to learn from it and move on. I make a mistake, yes, but I don't regret it.
I make a mistake, but I don't regret it.
I don't regret it. I don't regret it. Straight up, I tell you right now, you see me? Yo, sometime in life, I just say go. If I move on, straight up, you see me? So right now, I see her, I don't know why they do that, but I never come talk about it, people.
And that means so when them go out in a public with that.
And I got to talk about, I never go talk about it on my channel, you see me? So, now it come out with the video, I have to respond to it because I know I'm going to stay and I want to come and text me on Instagram and ask me or text her about her, So if I come and talk about it the same way, I make you know what really I go on. You see me? So I move on and I not go back. I move on, she move on. You see me? So I just say go right now. She's my new girlfriend now.
And I'm a new man.
You see me? Not night people. So here I go on now. I don't want to ask a big question. What I got me to my channel name? Or the channel, what me I got to do about that?
As me can say, the video that you post for your channel, that can't stay. You don't have to delete it. You just have to post on it.
I like that. So I not delete my channel. Anything post before this, I not delete them. So Abbi, my ex-girlfriend video them, they must stay on the channel. Me and I know the new platform.
You go down there so go watch her.
Yeah, going at the back, going at the old video them. So a new thing I go on, you see me? Yeah. When I go delete nothing, so who want to watch Abbi still, you can watch her. But right now, I move on. Abbi, you see me, she move on to. Fear name spelled that Y. So I think about change the channel name. So I still Abbi and Capo, but the Y I go up on the I. So the I come off and the Y I go up on. That's all the thing I change. So more time it's a blessing in disguise. Because I tell you, me and her have a good understanding of each other. You see me get along perfectly fine. No bag of war now go on. You see me?
Exactly, I'm happy.
So that's the thing of people. So my message to Abbi and her new man now, I want to stop calling name. Okay. It's the first and last time I go even talk about it at all on my channel. So just
count a dead to it.
Just stop bother with
it.
Don't mention it on nothing. Don't block you on Instagram. The way I keep on sending people over here come and chat to you. Don't do that.
Alex for everything.
yo, I can't tell them tell the people, just understand. Subscribers and viewers, and ask you know.
Alright. You say if you're not going to comment the bad negative thing and then somebody just don't comment. No
Don't
comment. No comment.
Yes, that's even better because I want to give them the same
I'm
support.
doing
I want to give Abby. And though I still not come in the comment section, come go and like want to roast her. I don't depend on that one. No. If you don't want to roast me, you can't do it, you know, come and read in the comments. But don't roast Abby. Straight up. You see me? Because we are moving forward with life now. And I see a future with her. So, if you don't like it, I don't think that. You see me? I tell you straight up. Abby, we have to, what else have to say today?
Jaja, brother, I'm happy than how many happy before.
People, me I tell you right now, I just say you're gonna like you can't always stay in the past. If you don't see a future, you just see the future and move on, no problem. Enough happy people see me because I don't see a long time I'm ex-girlfriend on YouTube and we are fight. If you move on, new grounds, I just say things go support the same way, love the same way, like you know fun and joke same way. You see me? And some other means about it, you see me? Yeah. So
And at the end of the video,
I want to just give them the same love, you the same
remember
love.
for like
Subscribe
and share.
and share.
And remember to turn on the post notification. We don't have to unsubscribe.
Yeah, because I know we're still Jamaicans and want to support the same way. So if you don't want to support me, I feel like so, them videos come next are better than before. I'm not asking a question. Because me and her,
Oh my.
you know, I get along so much more. So I want to just subscribe and turn on the bell. So when I see what I go on and message to my ex, I'm done with that. I don't want to talk about no ex and them things. Nobody
And the
come
channel
talk about
come
that.
in my DM.
Don't come with that.
talk about Alexis, I don't want to hear her name.
Yeah,
Instead.
yeah, because I tell them, I know me check up, you know. I'm not going to hide and talk. But I'm going to say before, I own up as a man, I own up to him. I already apologize to her. So I never expect her to make a video with nobody. So right now, I show you, say, if I that go on, I do my own thing and just don't say I say again in life. So as I said before, like, subscribe and share. You see me? I know say, yo, I just say think, man. New girls are on right now, man. No joke to it, you see me?
Some banger from
Alright, be my video forward from now on. You see me? Everything, I get everything now, you see me? Yeah, people. So, subscribe and share and like. And my new girlfriend then know. Alright?
My life is happy, yo.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
sis?
No regrets, I said. No regrets. Straight up.
Me, I look better than what they look before.
Yo, I can't bother more time, man. She full of drama and people, but they don't know anything, but they see me strong. So, yeah, I hate that, man.